Witness the intense moments as law enforcement catches 4 cold-blooded killers in the act, all captured on gripping body cam footage. From high-stakes chases to shocking confrontations, see how these criminals were brought to justice. Each clip reveals the bravery and quick thinking of officers in the face of danger. Don't miss this chilling compilation of real-life drama where every second counts. Prepare to be on the edge of your seat as we uncover these harrowing encounters, caught red-handed. Samantha Josephson tragically fell victim to Nathaniel Rowland, who posed as an Uber driver to lure her into his car before brutally murdering her. The case underscores the dangers of rideshare impersonation and highlights how forensic evidence, including body cam footage from police stops, played a crucial role in linking Rowland to the crime. His subsequent conviction for murder and kidnapping showcased the critical role of technology and diligent police work in bringing justice.
What's going on, sir? You got your license? Got your license on you? I'm also credit. Columbia Police Department K9. No license on you.
1047.
Why not?
1048 in Boston. Last thing, proceeding.
All right, man.
28 displayed as ego.
Who's smoking the marijuana?
That's not required.
All right, man. You got to step on out, man. All right, here's the deal, man. I pulled your car over because it matches the suspect. Get your hand in your pocket. What are you, crazy? Get over here. Hey, get over here. Go and run. Hey, I'm gonna release the dog. I can't. I was just gonna see if he'll stop. Bravo Mike wearing a gray sweatpants, gray sweatshirt.
Samantha tragically mistook Nathaniel Rowland's car for her Uber ride and was brutally murdered. Police apprehended Rowland after a traffic stop.
Welcome, doors blocked, 500.
The footage, along with forensic evidence, played a crucial role in linking Rowland to the crime. He was later convicted of murder and kidnapping. Darrell Brooks Jr. perpetrated a devastating attack by driving through a holiday parade in Wisconsin, resulting in multiple fatalities and injuries. The subsequent manhunt captured on body cam footage depicts the intense effort by law enforcement to locate and apprehend Brooks. His trial, which included the presentation of body cam evidence showing his attempt to evade capture, exemplifies the legal implications of such footage in establishing guilt and criminal intent.
At a nearby house.
Hey, I called an Uber and I'm supposed to be waiting for it over here, but I don't know when it's coming. Can you call it for me, please?
Darrell Brooks Jr. drove through a holiday parade in Wisconsin, resulting in multiple deaths and injuries.
Hands up! Put your hands where I can see them! Put your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Do it now!
Taking one to the hospital, trying to plan care.
What did I do? Lay on your stomach!
Robert, 277, are you on Elizabeth Street?
It's still my right. You got something with your name on it, man? No. What is your name?
Brooks.
This matches the description of the guy that got called on who was going door to door over here.
Yeah,
Where are your shoes, man?
I was trying to use somebody's phone.
Where are your shoes?
My flip-flops is in his house.
The chaotic manhunt that followed, captured on various cameras, including Ring doorbells and police body cams, showed the intensity of the search. Brooks was eventually apprehended, and his subsequent trial included body cam footage showing his attempt to evade capture, contributing to his conviction for murder and other charges. Taylor Schabusiness was arrested following the gruesome murder and dismemberment of her lover, Shad Thyon, after a drug-fueled altercation.
Is this blood? Does this look like blood to you? Or am I just tripping? Bloody footprint? You see this right here?
Could possibly be blood.
Hey, who did that? Hi, Taylor. How's it going? Officer Russell with the Green Bay Police Department. Just make sure you ain't got nothing on you here. Taylor, you have one more for your, wrists. Put your hands behind your back, please. Anybody else in your apartment? You got blood on your hands here, blood on.
Taylor was arrested after gruesomely murdering her lover, Shad Thyon, during a drug-fueled altercation.
No, on your hands. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to. What apartment is this? What apartment are you in? Do you have Adam 3 come up? On the double. Which apartment? One is what they came back to. Good. Go. Guys, hurry and get here now. Watch this window right here. Gun. Go in here. Come to the back of the apartment. That's where we are. You come over here. 2 more will be fine. If 84 is here, you have contact with the male.
Police body cam footage from her arrest depicted the chilling details of the crime scene investigation.
Have a seat. Who else is in the apartment? Be straight up. Todt? Who else? Just Todt? Is he armed? Nobody's armed? Nobody's armed. You sure?
Bring up police! Everybody get here! Announce yourself now!
Go ahead. Negative, we got enough here.
She was convicted of first-degree intentional homicide and sentenced to life in prison. Anthony Todt was discovered living with the lifeless bodies of his wife, Megan Todt, and their 3 small children, which led to his involvement in a horrifying case. The horrific moment when police enforcement finds the grisly scene is captured on camera by the body cam footage, underscoring the terrible reality of domestic homicide.
Open the door, please. Tony Todt.
Police!
Tony, open the door.
In January 2020, law enforcement went to the Todt family home in Celebration, Florida, after the family hadn't been heard from in weeks.
Tony, you coming downstairs? All right.
There you go, unless there's something reserved place for
Tony, you upstairs? Hey, you went upstairs, bud. All right. Hey, take your time. Help? Everything's all right, man. Just stay calm.
Go to the kitchen, or whatever it is.
Despite his attempt to blame Megan for the murders, Anthony was arrested and convicted of 4 counts of first-degree murder and animal cruelty. When investigating the case, they found the criminal's video, which was a big help in arresting him. Now, he has been arrested. We appreciate you watching the heartbreaking case details. Please share your opinions with us in the comments section below. Please subscribe to our channel, like our video if you found it educational, and click the bell icon to receive updates. We hope you will watch our next video.